let's go. Session 8, last session for this term. Guys, lapit na lang. Lapit na lang mag-term 2. Okay, magtapos ni term 1, term 2 na. Okay, nasig na lang guys Okay, session 8. Let's go. Okay, the head and the neck. Okay, ano na. Common or concerning symptoms of the headache, of course, sakit ulo, nga nagkakadto sila, sakit ulo, head injury, head or neck surgery, traumatic brain injury. Okay? Guys, magawa sa exam si common or concerning symptoms of the head. Okay. So, headache, sakit. Ari, common or concerning symptoms of the head, magwa. Okay. Sa history interview, guys, magwa ning old card, tandaan. Magwa ning old card, ginahungit ko na nga daan. Basahan nyo na lang kag tandaan. Okay. Onset, makuton nyo, nga nagsakit ulo. Okay, ari na headache. When did you first notice the headache? O, muna, onset, san onyo na batyagan ang sakit ulo? Okay, location, diin ang sakit ulo, duration, ano ka, lawig na ni, o gulpe lang bla, o in a less than an hour, gradually, or amat-amat, or temporary. Hello, sorry guys. Wala ka makabati. Sorry, mabalik kita liwat. Okay. Common or concerning symptoms of the head. Magwa sa exam. Isahon ko. Sorry. Headache. Okay. Next, sa old cart, magwa sa exam guys, ang history interview old cart, magwa ni, ang pamangkot, saan o nyo na-notice ang headache. Okay, where do you feel the headache location? Diin ang sakit sang ulo, sir. Dire. Okay, it really hurts. Amo na. Diin pagid. Duration, okay, isang sanuo lang ni sir, ano ang pagsugod, ya amat-amat or gulpi lang, something, muna. When does the pain begin? Morning. Oh, nurse ka na bugtaw. Kung nurse ka sakit ako ng ulo, hindi ka magbugtaw. Charot, hindi magmuna, guys. Bad na siya. Does it wake you at night? How long do the headaches last? Are they recurring? Is there a pattern? Blah, blah, blah. Characteristics, relieving patterns, treatment. Guys, ara lang na, galiwat-liwat lang na. Okay? TBI, traumatic brain injury, is a blow to the head or a piercing head injury that interferes with the function of the brain. Not all injuries to the head result in TBI. Okay? And those that occur span from mild to severe. Okay, head trauma or brain injury. Amo magyapon old card gyapon guys. Okay, old card gyapon. Common or concerning symptoms of the neck, swollen, enlarged thyroid, hoarseness. Guys, amo ni ginamba kung liwat-liwat siya bala. Kaya kung mga questions sa san o siya natabo, diin dampi. Amo gyapon, amo ni ginamba ko sa inyo nga ang best friend niyo si old card gid. Okay, nagsala ko, wala gid. Okay, mga bako sa first day pa lang naton, i-familiarize or i-perfect nyo na si old card kay matabo na hasta sa ulihi mag-nurse na kamo old card ang best friend nyo. Except kay nursing diagnosis, nga adpay, assessment diagnosis planning na, si old card best friend nyo man when it comes to health assessment or any assessment. Okay? Si PQRST sa pain na drama na siya, best friend nyo man na. Pero subong kay magwa sa exam, si old card, tandaan si old card. Okay? Ari, history interview, when did you first notice the lump? Kung may saliog na niha, ari na. Common concerning symptoms on the neck, o swollen lymph nodes or neck lumps, thyroid gland, hoarseness. Guys, ara na. When did you first notice the lump? Where is the lump? Where is the lump? Sorry. Is there more than one lump? Muna. Okay? Physical assessment, tangential lighting, ang nubo nga angle nga light para makita ang nagabukol. So, muna, sugaan. Magbayaw ang patient, magtanga, ma'am, tanga ta, o tangential light, o pag suga mo di, o makita na diri na kung gahabok, kung may mga lymph nodes. Cup of water, stethoscope. Hair, okay, hair. Note its quantity, distribution, texture, and pattern of loss. If any, you may see loose flakes of dandruff. Luwaton ko naman nga may pattern of loss, guys, base victim siya sang physical abuse. Okay, kay nga diri wala sang hair loss, diri may hair loss, diri may ara, diri wala. Do na bala kay syempre ginabutong iya buhok base victim. Okay? Scalp, part the hair in several places and look for scaliness, lumps, nevi, or other lesions. Skull, i-check nyo man. Tapos nyo observe or inspect, ipalpate, kaptan, okay? Kung may deformities, okay? Kung may depressions, basi nagsalop yung ulo, diri nga dampi, okay? Lumps or tenderness, okay? Contours ng skull, general size. Next, the face. Note the patient's facial expression and contours. Observe for asymmetry, involuntary movements, edema, and masses. Okay, check man kung symmetrical ang face ni patient. Nan.
Cushing syndrome. Cushing, the increased adrenal cortisol production of Cushing syndrome produces a round or moon face with red cheeks, excessive hair growth, and may be present in mustache and sideburn areas on the chin, guys. Facial swelling, okay. Cushing syndrome, okay. Mixed edema, okay. Hypothyroidism, ano gyapon? Thyroid, ego, any. The face is edematous and nephrotic na and often pale. Oh, pero duplarios lang in short guys para sa mata na tanan tambok ah. Pero hindi tanan nga tambok guys, may cushing, may nephrotic kag mixed edema ha. Basi iya puffy face lang gid sila ya, okay? Next, other faces, faces dwelling sa dalom, dire sa chin. Acromegaly, the increased growth hormone of acromegaly produces enlargement of bone and soft tissues. Dagko-dagko. Mayara gina yan, guys. Acromegaly, dagko. Parkinson's, decreased facial mobility, blunt expression, a mask-like face may result. Mask do, maskara, wala gahulag, bala. Na mask-like face may result with decreased blinking and characteristics there. Iyan, asang Parkinson's disease. Makita nyo na. Parotid gland. Okay. Symptoms of thyroid dysfunction, hyperthyroidism. Hindi siya magwa. I don't know, basta magwa siya. Secret. Charot. Ano lang, pagyan lang naton. Okay, hyperthy and hypothyroid dire. Hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism. Sa symptoms, nervousness, sa hyper niha, nervousness, weight loss, excessive palpitations. Sa symptoms, yes, ang hypo, fatigue, lethargy. Anong lethargy? Tapos ang letter F. Charot. Lethargy, do kapoy, bla, do wala energy. Okay? Modest weight gain with anorexia, dry, coarse skin, and cold intolerance, constipation. Signs. Okay. Neck. Let's go sa neck. Observe the skin, dere, noting its color, pigmentation, texture, thickness, hair distribution, and any lesions. Inspect the neck, okay, noting its symmetry and any masses. Kaya usually, gabukol-bukol, so kaptan naton, kag i-palpate. Look for enlargement of the parotid or submandibular glands. Lymph nodes, palpate. Tawagin na ba ako na bago lang. Palpate the lymph nodes. Palpate, di ba? Bako, using the pads of your index. Pads, are ha? Hindi ang pads nga, ano. Pads your index and middle fingers. Index, middle. Okay. Now, move the skin over underlying tissues. Na, amo na, circular motion. Amo na, libot-libot. Okay. Next sequence of the following nodes. Preauricular in front of the ear. Dere. Front. Ay, not sorry. Tabunan. Dere, front of the ear. Posterior auricular, mastoid process, occipital, diri sa likod, sa tangkugo. Tonsillar, tonsil, angle sa mandible. Submandibular, mandible, submandibular, dalom lang. Sang mandible between the angle of the and the tip of the mandible. Sorry, tip mandible. This nose usually smaller and smoother than the lobulated submedullary gland against which they lie. Submental. In the midline, few centimeters behind the tip of the mandible. Sa superficial cervical, posterior cervical, deep cervical, cervix, dire. Sternomastoid, sternocleidomastoid ini. Sa dalom lang, superficial, dire. Posterior, sa likod, dire. Trapezius, di ba? Trapezius ni. So, sa diri siya. Na supraclavicular deep in the angle formed by the clavicles sternomastoid. The trachea and thyroid gland. Inspect the trachea, ring trachea for any deviation. Basi nag-deviate, nagkiwi iya trachea. Usually, amo ni siya katadlong. Wow, mo siya katadlong. Tadlong na siya, midline position. Then feel for any deviation. Place your finger along one side of trachea and note the space between it and the sternomastoid. Inspect the neck for the thyroid gland. Tip the patient's head back a bit. Okay. Using tangential lighting, amo gyapon lighting lantawon man kung gakiwi, kung ga-deviate ang trachea or ang thyroid gland.